What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. We shake, rattling, rolling. I'm about to head to herd. I'm about to pick up Grandma Nana, man. She got ready last night, but I like, man, I ain't making no move at night. So what I'm about to do is cause I'm actually gonna shoot y'all 2 vlogs today, cause y'all been up to date and y'all already know we've been having this cooking. So I'm gonna have another part 2 coming for that. But we gotta take RnB down now. Like I said, I'm just letting my boy just do everything, just put some money in the pocket. But one of the air shots busted over here on RnB. I popped it, man. I'm talking about, it was last week, man. I was airing up, we was finna ride in it. That joker said, pop! I said, God! You know, bust the bladder in it. So this one over here busted. But I should be okay driving down there, creeping down there with just me in the car. So what I'm about to do is get this one out. I'm just pull it out with the jack, and yeah, get it going. So what I'm about to do is move brown coat and move wifey car. Then I'm gonna get this out with the jack. I'm gonna pull it over, pull the rear end over this way. Then I can just drive it out. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. Then we're gonna go get Grandma Nana, swap it out, trade out with him, drop RnB off. I know he'll have it done today, so y'all will see this back here today again. And I gotta get the headlight thing situated, man. Figure out what's going on with the headlights and all that good stuff too. But I'm ready to get Grandma Nana, man. Y'all saw on the other vlog, you saw the flywheel. Flywheel was just terrible, terrible, man. Y'all saw that, and you seen Meats. If you've been watching, you seen Meats. Meat's back ready and all that, so we gotta go to Lawless. So that's what it is. I plan on taking it today too. I plan on taking it to Lawless, so I gotta turn it around so I can get ready to load it on the trailer and get this rear straightened out. So yeah, let me do that. I'm finna move some stuff around, and then we come to the next clip. I'm gonna have RnB out. Let's do it. Y'all, show y'all this old trick. I put a vlog up, but if you don't work in shop in tight spaces, you probably done it before. Which, of course, yeah, you can turn. Y'all can get up out of here driving it. But it take much longer time doing all that turning, especially on the rim. And if you want to beat having to move a lot of stuff, which I would have to do, you can do this. Or you can get some wheel dollies. You can set it on wheel dollies, but I don't have wheel dollies. So that's how I do it. Jack up the rear end. Get both sides off the ground. And you just usually have somebody over there push it. Pull this back over like this. Pull that joke over. So you have to pull it, cause somebody pushing it, it make it easy. So I'm having to get that work in. I have to pull it on the clear meat. There we go. Let it down. Put it over. Get it. Set it down. Now we're able to get out. Now we're able to get that nag out. So, quick little way you can move stuff in a tight spot. If it's gonna be an inconvenience to be trying to drive it out. Now all I gotta do is back out and cut this joker out, and we ready to roll. So this shot, I'm busted like crazy. But finna get this thing over here to Herd. I can change the air shot. He'll probably call him about 30 minutes. Fast he work, and we're gonna swap out, go get Grandma Nana. So y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see, we in Nana list. Ain't no more knock. Told y'all, man, that flywheel all whole time, man. Then Herd went ahead and knocked out the new window switches. When I first bought it, you know, the passenger side switch was broke. Then eventually the other button broke off. So and I been had the new switch, so he's like, man, I'm going to throw that in there for you too. So he went and threw that in. I gotta go get some adhesive called my strip. Done fell off right here, man. So I gotta go get some adhesive. I'm gonna go get that today. Put that back, man. Get that back stuck up there. And man, this thing run. It even run better, man. It seriously do. All the flywheel was all bent out of shape. And then it ain't knocking, none of that. So, man, when I get back to the house, man, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Y'all can hear on the outside. All right. So, RnB at Herd. Look at that brown coat, boy. That brown coat. Look, that sound like the old head then. But I gotta let y'all hear Nana, man. Nana run like a sewing machine. Best she done ever ran. She run like a sewing machine. And y'all know, like I said, we had changed this out. The one switch. This what I telling y'all, the joke had broke. So one side was always broke, but then it broke the other side. I was like, man, come on, man. It's over with. Time to change. I was still able to let that drive one down. I kept a little piece. I wedged that piece on there and then flicked that joker and tried to get it cracking. But if y'all remember, from the first day I bought this car, it had a little knock. It had a little knock sound right here in the front. Which I knew it when the engine. I know what the engine knock sound like, trust me. But this got a one belt set up on it, so I thought it was the tensioner. I said the tensioner pulley, the tensioner bad. I took the belt off camera one time. It was still doing. I said tensioner not bad. Then we discovered the flywheel bent, and you can lay up under the car while the car was running, and that joker, boy, you can see it. I just kept driving. I was like, man, I get to it. I done drove one with a cracked flywheel before, which ain't good, because that joke can separate and cause a lot of damage. So I've been walking on thin line the whole time, but I was like, you know, way on set up, I'd be like, it is what it is. If I have to buy some, it's a write-off of the Dutch, so I don't be tripping like that. But this joker runs so quiet now, the best the ever listened. There y'all, that cut off, camera cut off. Yeah, that joker, boy. Used to be able to hear that joint all right here and stuff. Run better too. I had started running bad. That's how I know. I said that doing flywheel and came to pieces, boy. It's running good now. Oh yeah. Nana is in there. Back, man. So look, I gotta hunt down a headlight switch for the RnB right quick, because we think we narrowed it down to a headlight switch. So let me cut the fan on. Herd narrowed it down to a headlight switch, man. So he like, bring me a headlight switch. I'm gonna get your light working. So he like a talent, man. When somebody else can't figure something out, he try to go at it. So I'm trying to hunt him down a headlight switch right quick. And check back in, man, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all checking in, man. You see the hood on top of meat, changing the oil. So I gotta run to the parts store to get 3 more quarts of oil, man. Thought I had enough, but my oil pan is an 8 quart. So I got I need 3 more quarts, man. So I'm finna drive old Nana to the store, and maybe they'll have my headlight switch in too. And I can go ahead and pick that up and get it to Herd. Then we can see we're gonna have some lights back in RnB, y'all. So we finna hit some blocks. Y'all know I'm back on my daily driver grind now and Nana. So that's what it is, man. All right, look, y'all. So I'm over here at Herd shop, and he tinkering. Look, y'all see, okay. everything off, isn't it? So put a new headlight switch in it. We got that. He popped that in quick. But check it out. Whenever you ready, Herb. Dad light.
I'll make sure which one is which. That's what I'm trying to make.
This man here is a mastermind, y'all. I told y'all, hit him up now. Put his number on the screen right now.
So,
The puzzle that couldn't be solved. So look, headlight. That's the headlight. And we'll pop and fuse.
I just gotta put this. That's what I'm checking here.
Okay. So he just checking. But y'all saw that headlight. But
I'll have it back here in a second. I'm just
okay. Interior
so
light.
That's what it is.
And then he had tail lights too. There you go, tail light. All the running lights, head light, tail light.
So
You got everything.
So what it is?
And he was a mastermind. I bet he can fix Dolo tail light, y'all. I've been having no tail lights in Dolo for quite some time. But
Alright, so tell me.
all right, let's see. What we need? Man, here's no joke, y'all. It ain't been 10 minutes. I bought a headlight switch, popped it in, boom. All right, that's tail lights.
Alright, so that's tail light.
Tail lights and interior light. We got lights in the front too, no headlight though.
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't got the headlights on. Okay. He can figure something out here, boy. Y'all stay tuned. I'll turn y'all on. All right, y'all. We taking in, man. I know y'all hear everything going on in the background, man. It's the next day. It ended up getting dark. I started running around again, some more, and all of that, man. But then Herb did get RnB straight figured out, man. Popped the headlight switch in, and then y'all saw the last clip, whatever, man. That joke 5, man. He 5, man. So I actually just brought the car back home. So I got the car back. Glad to have that straightened out, man. We got all the lights back now. It wasn't even the headlight switch bad. I don't think the old problem wasn't even bad. But he said he ended up actually taking the whole dash part and putting the wires like they supposed to be. So he did that, man. He did it right. So now we got headlights again. We got all the interior lights, tail lights, and all this stuff, man. So we got it figured out. Cause I wasn't driving that car at night because the lights, y'all know the light just all of a sudden just boom. But Herb got that thing figured out, man. He got that thing figured out and all that good stuff. So now back on the road, man. We got the new shocks on in the back car. I told you I busted one in the air shock. That was on me. That crazy. But we got that done. Then we got Nana. We got Grandma Nana fixed. Y'all can see we got a new flywheel. So everything shake, rattling, and rolling, man. We shake, rattling, and rolling. So I actually, once he fixed, cause I probably don't know if I'm a vlog a lot of, but once he got RnB fixed, I actually drove Dolo and switched it out and dropped Dolo out. Cause you know I just try to keep my boy working, man. Keep some stuff, money in his pocket and stuff too. So I just let him do the simple stuff. So he changed the oil in Dolo, and I actually found some brake pads I had bought, man. I said I had these brake pads for 2 years. Know they box every brake pad. I looked at them and stuff, and I said, man, you might well throw these on. So he threw the brake pads on. But Dolo went down there, call like, man, that man figured that out so fast with RnB. I was like, man, I might as well see if he can tackle Dolo. And y'all know, when I first got Dolo, the brake lights wouldn't work. I had tail lights, but no brake lights. I always had headlights. So I figured out the brake lights. When I fixed that wire and got brake lights, my tail light, I ain't had tail lights since. I have not had back tail lights in well over a year. Or whenever, however long it been since I fixed them brake light, which y'all, if you watch the vlogs early, then you remember. I fixed them brake light. I ain't had tail light since, man. I ain't never just fooled with it. But that what it went down there for. So I'm pretty sure he gonna figure it out. And the window, the passenger side window, has never rolled down. Now, he already was on top of that. And the passenger side window never rolled down. And the main power wire, that orange wire that run to the master switch, that gives all the windows power, man, that wire was cut. It was cut when I first bought it, because of the fact that car had an alarm system and everything. So, you know, I thought, well, let me just put it back together. That never worked. So I never traced the wire and all that. So the whole time, me letting the window down, I had a wire in the car. I got a blue wire. And I hook it up and touch it in the fuse box and let the window down. Then I just unhook it. That's how I was letting the window down, the driver window. And the back windows work, but the passenger window has never been down since I had the car. All these years, it has never been down, because I ain't never bothered fooling with it. And I bought 2 window motors, which I also had the 2 window motors about 3 years now. I've been bought them. So I took them over there. Before I had got, man, before I had just left his house about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, man. That man called me back and said, well, I got your wiring straight on that. So you ain't got to worry about hooking that wire up no more. He figured that out. Man, before I made it back to the house. So now I ain't got to use the wire. He hooked it up like it's supposed to. But that he said that passenger window still not going down. So he fooling with that now. I went ahead and ordered a new power window switch too. But he gonna put the window motor in. I told him I think it's the window motor, cause when I get power to the switch, it never went down. So he over there fooling with that now. And then he said he gonna figure out the tail light and all that. So he on dolo right now, man. So if that man figure that out, man, I'm gonna be so happy. Cause I have not had back tail lights in well over a year, and I have never been able to just use my switch like I supposed to. That's why I always left my door panel, I always left the switch cover off. And I got all of it. I got it in the glove box, but I'm like, man, I'm not finna take this off. And then I always have to run the wire. I'm not gonna unscrew it all the time. So now I can put it back like it's supposed to be. And man, if I can let that passenger window down and then just boom, boom, boy, I'd be dead in the game. Boy, I'd be too happy. So he over there working at that. With him, I'm pretty sure he'll probably hit me up before the end of the day and be done had all this stuff figured out. Especially for this switch come in, which is it's supposed to come in. I call him, that switch supposed to come in today. So the switch, man, I'm gonna go get that and take it over there and all that good stuff, man. And you know, that's it. So you know, we shake, rattle, and roll, and y'all see all the move being made. You see the dump being mounted up. The shop working, they over here doing stuff now. We're working in the front yard and all that, the driveway, working everything, man. So we got a lot of stuff shaking, man. I told y'all we got some lit vlogs coming. Meats, I still ain't drove meats, man. It killing me. I still have not drove meat since I put the new converter in. I have not drove it yet, y'all. Cause I got that third member gasket leaking, man. So I gotta get that chain. Cause I'm not fooling with that. I ain't fooling with that. I get that chain, man. Jesse's supposed to get to it. I hope they can get to it this week, man, cause I'm itching. Man. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. And so if Herb get finished today, man, I'm actually gonna hook the trailer up and then take my father-in-law truck down there. That S10, the reason y'all see it been sitting right there, y'all know he usually drive it. I think the clutch, man, the clutch finally said I had enough, so man, I bought him a clutch. Which I got sitting over there. I bought him a clutch and a slave cylinder just to change it. So I paid her to do that, to fix his truck, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get him back on the road. That's sentimental to him. His daddy passed that down to him, so he loved that little truck, man. So I'm gonna get that fixed for him. That neck's in line, so that will hurt gonna knock out neck, man. But yeah, man, they're gonna wrap it up. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.